We know how much work it is to clean up heaps of wet leaves and other debris through the cooler fall and winter months, which is why we've spent so much time researching and testing leaf blowers. We think the best cordless leaf blowers are hassle-free, with battery-powered or easy-start gas motors, so you can tackle your fall lawn care tasks more efficiently. To find the best option for your yard, we've tested 24 cordless leaf blowers in the lab and at our own homes, many during peak leaf falling season, including battery-operated, handheld, and backpack models, evaluating each for ease of assembly and use, battery life, noise levels, and effectiveness. While testing, we found that backpack leaf blowers are best for large yards since they are comfortable and powerful, with batteries that last a long time, up to 2 hours. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Pound 6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. Backpack leaf blowers provide exceptional power without excessive arm fatigue. While testing the Ego Power Plus Pound 6003 in the lab and at home, we found it light and comfortable to use without hindering our mobility at all. We also love that it features variable airflow speed with a comfortable joystick-style control stick. When we tested this leaf blower in our lab, we were so impressed with its speed and power that we had to try it out at home too. We used this leaf blower at home for about 6 months in a yard filled with 20 trees, and we didn't find much to dislike. It helped make fall cleanup feel like less of a chore, and sped things up quite a bit compared to raking. We also found it handy for clearing sticks, leaves, and even light snow from our driveway and sidewalk. Since this is a backpack model, most of its weight is distributed on your back as you use it. Even though it's fairly heavy, your arms and wrists are spared from bearing the entire load, so you won't feel fatigued as fast. While it weighs almost twice as much as our best overall pick, a handheld option, also by Ego, you can use it longer and feel less tired. Number 2. Worx Cordless Leaf Blower. The Worx WG584 is our favorite variable speed leaf blower because it lets you choose from an airflow speed of 60, 69, 80, or 95 miles per hour, with airflow capacities of 300 and 470 CFM. This gives you tons of flexibility to handle different jobs without any of the guesswork that comes with some variable speed models. We also found it lightweight and surprisingly quiet for the amount of power it provides. We tested this leaf blower in our lab to see how it handles various common debris on different surfaces, and it cleared both dry and wet leaves in record time. It performed just as well when we took it home to test it in real-world conditions. We loved how quickly this leaf blower cleared leaves from our deck and other areas around our house. It immediately reduced the amount of time we had to spend on upkeep around the yard, which is why we think this leaf blower is ideal for keeping your yard and varied outdoor spaces looking great. Number 3. Makita XBU03SM1 Cordless Blower Kit. Variable speed leaf blowers are useful because they let you control the amount of airflow, but they can be tiring. One of the reasons we like this option from Makita so much is that it includes cruise control, which lets us set the power level wherever we want and then let go of the trigger, giving our hand a delightful rest. We tested this leaf blower at our lab, and it performed exceptionally well in all of our tests, blowing dry and wet leaves from a patch of grass without much effort and clearing leaves from hard surfaces even faster. It also performed exceptionally well in tests of raw power, moving weighted fishing nets a great distance with ease, so we think you'll be hard-pressed to find debris in your yard that this blower won't move. It tops out at an impressive 116 miles per hour, which can be compared to a lower maximum of 95 miles per hour from our best variable speed pick. Number 4. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. We think the best cordless leaf blowers should be convenient, easy to handle, maneuverable, and strong enough to move dry and wet leaves and other debris. Our favorite is the Ego Cordless Leaf Blower Kit, which features a powerful 670 CFM turbo mode that made short work of grass clippings in our front and backyards and blasted away leaves that had been stuck behind our air conditioner condenser since the previous year. We tested this leaf blower at home to tackle tasks we had previously handled with a plug-in Ryobi leaf blower. With a variable output of 250 to 530 CFM, plus the turbo mode, we were blown away by how much more powerful this leaf blower is. We also loved that we could handle our entire lawn, walkways, and everything else without constantly unplugging and looking for a new outlet. Number 5. Greenworks Cordless Leaf Blower, Vacuum. This cordless leaf blower from Greenworks effectively cleared grass clippings from our patio and walkways. It also has a vacuum, mulch mode, so it provides a lot of value. We think it's a good option if you have limited space, since it's a dual-purpose tool that performs very well in both modes. We also love how quiet, especially on the lower settings, lightweight, and maneuverable it is, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. We tested this blower at our home before the first leaves of the year fell, so we primarily used it to clean up grass clippings and other debris. It worked very well in our small yard, concrete patio, and slate walkway, leaving everything neat and tidy.